I'm Namita Sayani. I'm an image consultant and a personal brand coach.
Hello lovely people of Chennai, my name is Namita Naik. I am the secretary of IMPA, Chennai chapter.
Your image is what stays back once a professional, social and a personal meeting gets over. Making little changes to your personal image, personal appearance will make you a more confident person and in tune with your roles and goals.
So why should men be always left behind? Are you looking for a promotion? Are you looking for a good job? Why don't you come visit us? We will tell you about the 4 levels of dressing, especially for you men on levels of formality. Come see us. We will tell you different variations of how to wear a tie, pocket squares, cufflinks and stuff like that.
With a little thought and practice, one can create authentic, appropriate, attractive and affordable image and make lasting first impressions.
Enjoy all the 5 stalls we are putting up. One would be on body shape, wherein we explain your own shape and the clothes to wear. There is another stall where we speak about face shape, the kind of accessories that will look nice on you, the makeup that will look good on you. The third stall is on color evaluation, your skin tone and the colors to avoid, the colors to wear. The 4th stall would be on lifestyle evaluation. We assess where you walk, what you do. And the 5th stall would be for women on lingerie, the inner wear, and how it looks nice when you carry your inner wear with your outer wear. So these are the 5 stalls. Come enjoy.
And lastly, it should be affordable. That doesn't mean that you have to always go to designers or branded clothes, or you have to go to a stylist to enhance your appearance. So I'll see you all there at Avocado Care, Giriyappa Road, T Nagar from 10 to 4.
Let's have a good session. I am looking forward to see you there. Goodbye people.